Hello, so let's talk about project 2. So here I have a Raspberry Pi 4. So I put also heatsink on these chips to be more protected. Then I have here a moisture and temperature sensor. These are the cablings that I did to connect sensor to Raspberry Pi. And then I have keyboard, mouse, display, power, and Ethernet cable all connected to Raspberry Pi. So I followed, actually let's see what we have in our screen. So I followed this instruction to connect Raspberry Pi and that moisture sensors to AWS services. So let's see how it, so actually you can follow this instruction. Everything is here. We have different steps, so if you follow all these steps, you can go to next step, next topic, and previous topic. So if you make it complete, then finally if you run the program, that is like here. So let's run the program. This program is in Python. So as you can see here, we have, let's just stop it to show you. So this is the whole actually information that I received in the regular time. So we have moisture level here, we have temperature, and then we have some other like metadata. And then you can also set, so the way that it works is that we set an alarm notification if this moisture level goes above 1000. Now it's 326 and it's now nothing happened. So let's see, actually I set that to send an email to me if moisture level goes about 1000. So let's run it again. So run the program Python Py n. Then so this is the sensor, and when I touch the sensor, as you can see here, okay, so just let's stop it. So let's show you here. Moisture level is now more than 1000, so it's now 1015. Temperature also goes up because I touched the sensor. So what happens when we have this actually threshold? Threshold is 1000, we are about that one, and I need to check my emails to see if I received anything or not. So let's see what I have here in my emails. I'll show you in a moment to see what I have here. Okay, so if I come back to see my desktop here, and this is my emails. So I have 3 emails, so let's open one of them. And as you can see, state is reported, moisture is 1015, and then I received 1, 2, 3 emails because of those 3 pages that are about 1000. I have moisture here, temperature, metadata, and if I'd like to unsubscribe from this notifications. So I received these emails because I went above actually that 1000 centigrades. So let's come back to the project itself. So while I touch the sensor, because I have here temperature sensor and moisture sensor, then it shows me what happened. Data goes to AWS, and then I can also let's see if I can see the result here. So AWS Educate. So I want to show you the result, what happens here and what I have in AWS Educate. Same things that you have. So my account is in AWS Educate. I'm going to the classroom and okay, so let's see what we have here on my screen. So this is so this is my console. I'm going to AWS console, and then I'm going to IoT core. And as you can see here, we have successful connections, and here is now 29th of February, and 29th of February we have these successful connections from that thing. We have actually messages including MQTT protocol messages and HTTP, and also we have type and direction of those messages. And to see what I have here, so this is my thing. So Raspberry Pi, this is the thing that I added to the AWS IoT core. So it's exactly the same thing that you can do with your AWS and with your Raspberry Pi. With these GPIO pins here, you can connect actually any sensor, any input and output comes to these GPIO pins. We have also here for camera and here for display. So if you like to connect any camera and any display to Raspberry Pi, actually specific forms of that type of that, so you can, it's available for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.